Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Trend Venom EA for MT4, and we'll be taking a close look at the MQL5 Marketplace page, the available features and settings, the historical backtesting information, and then I'll share my overall thoughts on the results and what traders should keep in mind when evaluating the system. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Right away, it is important to note that Trend Venom EA is an MT4 expert advisor. Looking at the marketplace page, we can see that it is published by Robots for Forex Ltd and is currently available as a free download. The version displayed here is version 1.1. According to the description, Trend Venom EA is a fully automated trading system that uses moving averages and RSI signals for its trading decisions. The developer also explains that the EA places market orders and incorporates an averaging approach designed to recover trades that move into negative territory. Further down the description, we can see some usage recommendations. The developer specifically states that the default setup is designed around EURUSD on the M5 time frame, making that the primary configuration referenced throughout the product information. A VPS is also recommended for running the EA continuously. Now, another important note from the developer is that the EA may require optimization before use. In fact, the description explicitly encourages users to optimize settings and even share successful configurations in the comment section. Right? Now, that is something worth paying attention to because it suggests performance may depend heavily on how the parameters are configured. Moving into the features section, the first thing highlighted is that the EA is fully automated, meaning it can manage trade execution without requiring constant user intervention. The developer also notes that the system is not highly sensitive to spread conditions and that every trade includes a stop loss. All right, having a stop loss defined for trades is an important part of trade management, especially when evaluating automated systems. As we move into the input settings, we get a much clearer picture of the customization available. The order settings include manual lot sizing as well as an optional money management system. When enabled, position sizing can be calculated based on account risk settings. There is also an account profit lock parameter that can stop trading if account equity falls below a specified percentage of the maximum account balance. The entry settings provide the core configuration controls for the strategy. We can see adjustable RSI periods and RSI threshold values, along with separate fast and slow moving average periods and mode selections. Since the developer states that moving averages and RSI are used as trading signals, these settings appear to be central to how the EA identifies opportunities. There are also spread controls, take profit settings, stop loss settings, and time frame selection options. The time frame lock feature is particularly useful because it ensures the EA continues operating according to its configured time frame, even if the chart time frame is changed. Now, another major area of customization involves the averaging functionality. The settings include controls for enabling or disabling time averaging, defining the distance required before an additional averaging trade can be opened, and setting the multiplier used for subsequent averaging positions. Now, let us transition into the backtesting section. When reviewing the historical testing performance, I always prefer focusing on consistency and behavior rather than looking only at profit figures. Okay. Historical testing helps us understand how a system reacted to past market conditions, but it should always be viewed as analysis rather than prediction. Okay, the developer specifically recommends EURUSD on the M5 time frame, so that is the primary context I'll use when evaluating only the when evaluating the available historical testing results, and of course that which we are going to do by ourselves. So I can see that here the recommended symbol and time frame was used. $10,000 deposit, net profit was over 51%, 5,187.68 to be precise. And then I can see that the Total net profit. Okay, that's total net profit. The positions won, we have 4,280. That gave us a 57.7% win rate. All right, so here we have this seems to be a different setting. Okay, this is for EURUSD M5. This is also EURUSD M5. This is GBP M5. We have 53.4% win rate, and so on and so forth. Let's head over to our strategy tester. I'm testing the Trend Venom EA on EURUSD M5 time frame as recommended, right? I'm using the every tick modeling. I'm testing over the past 3 months, 22nd March to 22nd June 2026, and I'm using the every tick modeling. Okay, so here initial deposit was $10,000. Total net profit was just roughly almost 5%. That is $498.53 in net profit. 594 trades were taken, out of which 342 were profitable. That gave us a 57.58% win rate. In this case, the average profit was 3.42, the average loss was 2.67. That means the risk to reward ratio is not all that bad. At least the average profit is bigger than the average loss, right? So I'm going to turn on the visuals right away. Let's see this EA in action. Okay, remember that longer testing periods generally provide a more reliable historical picture because they expose the EA to a wider range of market environments. So I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market and conditions. Looking at the historical chart activity, we can naturally connect some of the observed behavior to the information provided on the marketplace page. Since the EA uses moving average and RSI signals and also uses averaging functionality, it is useful to observe how positions were managed throughout periods of market movement and retracement during the testing period. The optimization section also provides useful insight. The developer specifically identifies RSI period, RSI threshold, MA slow period, MA fast period, take profit, and time averaging step as key parameters for optimization. That suggests these settings may have a significant influence on historical testing performance. All right, so as we review the final results, it is important to remember that these are historical backtest results. All right, historical testing performance can vary substantially depending on the risk settings, the lot sizes, optimization choices, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, and overall market behavior. For that reason, I would strongly encourage traders to perform their own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. Overall, the Trend Venom EA provides a transparent description of its core methodology, clearly outlining its use of moving average signals, RSI signals, averaging functionality, and configurable risk management tools. The fact that it is available for free also makes it relatively accessible for traders who want to explore and test it further within MT4. Thank you for watching. See you in the next review.